Get ready to be amazed by the top 20 greatest mysteries of humanity. These puzzling and mysterious events have fascinated people all over the world for centuries. From mysterious vanishings to strange messages, these mysteries still puzzle us today. Let's explore them. Number 20. The disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370, a scheduled international passenger flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, disappeared from radar screens and lost contact with air traffic control. The flight, carrying 227 passengers and 12 crew members, deviated from its planned route and vanished over the South China Sea, sparking a massive international search and rescue operation. Despite an extensive multinational effort to locate the missing aircraft, no conclusive evidence of its fate has been found. The search, which covered millions of square miles of ocean and involved sophisticated underwater mapping and remote-controlled submersibles, was the largest and most expensive in aviation history. Various theories have been proposed to explain the disappearance, ranging from a catastrophic mechanical failure and pilot suicide to more speculative ideas like hijacking and even supernatural intervention. The few pieces of debris that have been recovered have only deepened the mystery surrounding the flight's ultimate fate. The disappearance of MH370 remains one of the most perplexing and tragic aviation mysteries of the 21st century, leaving the families of those on board without closure and prompting ongoing efforts to improve aircraft tracking and safety measures. Number 19. The mysterious Pomsky crater. Deep in the heart of Siberia lies a peculiar geological formation known as the Pomsky crater, or the Siberian molehill. This mysterious crater, measuring 160 meters wide and 80 meters deep, has baffled scientists since its discovery. Its origin remains a topic of intense debate, with theories ranging from a meteorite impact to a volcanic eruption. However, the crater's unique features, such as its conical shape and the presence of strange magnetic anomalies, have led some researchers to suggest more unconventional explanations, such as an ancient underground explosion or even the remnants of an extraterrestrial spacecraft. Despite numerous expeditions and scientific studies, the true nature of Pomsky remains a mystery, captivating the minds of geologists, ethnologists, and adventurers who dare to venture into the remote Siberian wilderness. Number 18. The Tum Mystery. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a strange phenomenon has been plaguing residents for decades, a persistent low-frequency humming noise that seemingly has no identifiable source. The Taos hum, as it has come to be known, is described as a deep throbbing sound that can be heard by some individuals, while others remain unaffected. Theories attempting to explain the hum range from industrial machinery and military experiments to geological processes and even paranormal activity. However, despite numerous investigations by scientists, engineers, and government agencies, no conclusive evidence has been found to pinpoint the origin of the mysterious noise. Similar reports of unexplained humming have emerged from other locations around the world, adding to the intrigue surrounding this auditory enigma. The Taos hum continues to baffle experts and residents alike, serving as a reminder of the many mysteries that still persist in our world. Number 17. The enduring mystery of the Zodiac Killer. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, a serial killer known as the Zodiac Killer terrorized Northern California, claiming responsibility for several murders through a series of taunting letters and cryptic ciphers sent to local newspapers. The killer's identity remains unknown to this day, despite extensive investigations by law enforcement agencies and amateur sleuths. The Zodiac's letters contained intricate puzzles and codes, some of which have been deciphered, while others continue to baffle cryptographers. The killer's taunting messages and mysterious persona have made the Zodiac case one of the most infamous unsolved criminal cases in American history, spawning numerous theories, books, and films. The case remains open, with investigators continuing to pursue new leads and analyze evidence in hopes of finally unmasking the notorious killer. The enduring mystery surrounding the Zodiac Killer has cemented the case's status as a cultural phenomenon and a source of ongoing fascination for true crime enthusiasts and armchair detectives alike. Number 16. The enigmatic lead masks case. In 1966, a bizarre case unfolded in Brazil when two electronic technicians were found dead on a hillside in Niterói, wearing matching lead masks. Manuel Pereira de Cruz and Miguel José Viana had no apparent cause of death, and their bodies showed no signs of trauma. Investigators discovered a cryptic note in their pockets, which contained a series of numbers and a message about a scheduled meeting. The note also mentioned the capsule and masks, adding to the mystery. Theories ranging from a secret government experiment to an extraterrestrial encounter have been proposed, but no conclusive evidence has been found to explain the men's deaths or the purpose of their lead masks. The lead masks case remains an eerie and perplexing incident that has captured the imagination of conspiracy theorists and paranormal enthusiasts for decades. Number 15. The bizarre dancing plague of 1518. In the summer of 1518, the city of Strasbourg, France, was struck by a bizarre outbreak of dancing mania. It began with a single woman, Frau Trophia, who stepped into the street and started dancing fervently. Within a week, dozens of others had joined her, and the dancing epidemic quickly spread throughout the city. People danced uncontrollably for days without rest, some even dying from exhaustion, heart attacks, or strokes. The authorities, at a loss for an explanation, tried various remedies, including hiring musicians to accompany the dancers, hoping they would eventually tire themselves out. The cause of the dancing plague remains a mystery, with theories ranging from mass psychogenic illness and religious fervor to ergot poisoning from contaminated rye bread. This peculiar historical event continues to fascinate scholars and lay people alike, serving as a reminder of the complex interplay between mind, body, and society. Number 14. Mystery of the Flann Isles Lighthouse Keepers. In 1900, 3 lighthouse keepers vanished without a trace from the remote Flann Isles in Scotland. Upon investigation, the lighthouse was found in pristine condition, with an untouched meal on the table and a stopped clock. No signs of struggle or foul play were evident, and the logbook contained no clues. Theories ranging from a giant wave to alien abduction have been proposed, but the truth remains elusive. The mysterious disappearance has inspired countless works of fiction and continues to intrigue researchers and enthusiasts alike. Despite extensive searches and investigations, no conclusive evidence has ever been found to explain the fate of the 3 men. Flann Isles mystery remains one of the most enduring and haunting tales of unexplained disappearances in history. Number 13. The enigmatic Feo Disc. Discovered in 1908 in the Minoan Palace of Phaistos on the Greek island of Crete, the Feo Disc is an ancient artifact that has baffled archaeologists and linguists for over a century. The disc, made of fired clay, is covered on both sides with a spiral of symbols impressed into the surface. The symbols, numbering 241 in total, are believed to represent a form of hieroglyphic writing unique to this artifact. Despite numerous attempts to decipher the code, the meaning of the symbols and the disc's purpose remain a mystery. Some scholars suggest it may be a religious text, a game board, or even a hoax. The Feo Disc's enigmatic nature has inspired countless theories and interpretations, making it one of the most fascinating and debated archaeological finds of the 20th century. Number 12. The Green Children of Woolpit. In the 12th century, a peculiar tale emerged from the English village of Woolpit, the story of 2 green-skinned children who appeared mysteriously in a field. According to the legend, the children, a boy and a girl, spoke an unknown language and refused to eat anything but raw beans. The boy eventually fell ill and died, but the girl adapted to her new surroundings, learned English, and even married a local man. She revealed that she and her brother had come from a land where the sun never shone, and everything was green. Some theories suggest that the children might have been Flemish orphans displaced by war, while others propose more otherworldly explanations such as extraterrestrial visitors or inhabitants of a subterranean world. The Green Children of Woolpit remains a captivating mystery that has inspired countless retellings and interpretations throughout history. Number 11. The Mystery of the Hessdalen Lights. In the remote Hessdalen Valley of Norway, mysterious lights have been observed in the sky for centuries. These luminous orbs, known as the Hessdalen Lights, appear in various colors and sizes, hovering silently or moving erratically across the landscape. Despite ongoing scientific research, the origin and nature of these lights remain unexplained. Theories range from natural phenomena such as ball lightning or ionized dust clouds to more unconventional explanations like UFOs or interdimensional portals. The Hessdalen Lights have attracted the attention of scientists, ufologists, and curious onlookers from around the world, with some enthusiasts setting up camp in the valley to observe and document the phenomenon. While some progress has been made in understanding the conditions under which the lights appear, the true cause of this mesmerizing display continues to elude researchers, cementing the Hessdalen Lights status as one of the most enduring mysteries in atmospheric science. Number 10. Dark Matter and Dark Energy Enigma. 2 of the most profound mysteries in modern cosmology are the nature of dark matter and dark energy. These invisible substances are thought to make up the vast majority of the universe's total matter and energy, yet their existence can only be inferred through their gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter, which accounts for approximately 85% of the universe's total matter, is believed to provide the scaffolding for galaxies and galaxy clusters. holding them together with its gravitational pull. However, despite decades of searching, scientists have yet to directly detect a dark matter particle or determine its precise properties. Similarly, dark energy, which makes up roughly 68% of the universe's total energy, is the mysterious force thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Its existence was first inferred from observations of distant supernovae, which revealed that the universe's expansion is speeding up, rather than slowing down as previously expected. The nature of dark energy remains one of the biggest unsolved problems in physics, with theories ranging from a constant cosmological force to the emergence of new fundamental forces. Unraveling the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy is critical to our understanding of the universe's structure, evolution, and ultimate fate, and remains a major focus of ongoing research in cosmology and particle physics. Number 9. The Enigma of the Voich Manuscript. The Voich Manuscript is an illustrated codex believed to have been written in the 15th century, named after the Polish book dealer Wilfred Voynich, who acquired it in 1912. The manuscript features a mysterious script that has eluded decipherment by even the most skilled cryptographers. The manuscript's pages are filled with bizarre illustrations of unidentified plants, astrological diagrams, and figures bathing in pools connected by elaborate plumbing systems. The text, written in an unknown language or code, has been studied by numerous experts, including World War II codebreakers, but no one has been able to crack its meaning. Theories about the manuscript's origin and content range from a hoax to a secret alchemical treatise. The Voynich manuscript remains one of the most intriguing and perplexing literary mysteries, challenging our understanding of historical cryptography and linguistics. Number 8. The Tunguska Event Mystery. On the morning of June 30, 1908, a massive explosion rocked the remote Siberian wilderness near the Podkamenia Tunguska River. The blast, which was estimated to have been 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, uprooting an estimated 80 million trees and sending shock waves that were detected as far away as England. Eyewitnesses reported seeing a brilliant fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a deafening explosion and a shock wave that knocked people off their feet and shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away. Despite the scale of the event, no crater was ever found at the site, and the cause of the explosion has remained a mystery for over a century. The leading scientific explanation is that the Tunguska event was caused by a meteor or comet that exploded several kilometers above the Earth's surface, releasing a massive amount of energy in the form of heat and shock waves. However, the lack of any meteoric remnants or impact crater has led some researchers to propose alternative theories, such as the explosion of a mini black hole, the annihilation of antimatter, or even the crash of an extraterrestrial spacecraft. The remote location of the event and the limited scientific resources available at the time have made it difficult to study the Tunguska event in detail, and many questions about its precise nature and cause remain unanswered. Nonetheless, the event has captured the imagination of scientists and lay people alike, inspiring countless books, articles, and documentaries, as well as works of science fiction and popular culture. The Tunguska event remains one of the most enigmatic and fascinating cosmic mysteries of the 20th century, a testament to the awesome power and unpredictability of the universe we inhabit. Number 7. The Enigma of the Wow signal. In 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Ammon detected a strong narrowband radio signal while working on the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence (SETI) project at the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio. The signal, which lasted for 72 seconds, was so remarkable that Ammon circled it on the computer printout and wrote "Wow" next to it, giving the signal its name. The Wow signal had all the characteristics expected of an interstellar signal, including a frequency close to the hydrogen line, which is considered a likely channel for communication by extraterrestrial civilizations. However, despite numerous attempts to detect the signal again, it has never been replicated, leaving its origin and nature a mystery. Some theories suggest it could have been a transmission from an alien civilization, while others propose more mundane explanations such as a passing comet or an Earth-based signal reflected off space debris. The Wow signal remains one of the most tantalizing and enigmatic events in the history of SETI, fueling ongoing speculation and research into the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence. Number 6. The Mystery of Toynbee Tiles. Since the 1980s, mysterious tiles have been discovered embedded in the asphalt of streets across several U.S. and South American cities. These tiles, known as the Toynbee tiles, contain cryptic messages that often reference the philosopher Arnold Toynbee, Stanley Kubrick's film 2001, A Space Odyssey, and the idea of resurrecting the dead on Jupiter. The tiles' creator and purpose remain unknown, although various theories have been put forth. Some believe they are the work of a single obsessive individual, while others suggest a secret society or an alien communication attempt. Despite investigations and documentaries, the identity of the tiler and the meaning behind the messages remain a mystery. The Toynbee tiles have become an enduring urban legend, sparking the imagination of artists, conspiracy theorists, and curious individuals who stumble upon these enigmatic installations in the streets. Number 5. The mysterious disappearance of Roanoke Colony. In 1587, a group of English settlers led by John White established a colony on Roanoke Island, off the coast of present-day North Carolina. White returned to England for supplies, but when he came back 3 years later, the entire colony had vanished without a trace. The only clue left behind was the word Croton, carved into a tree. Theories about the colonists' fate range from integration with local Native American tribes to a deadly disease outbreak or a violent attack by hostile forces. Some even speculate that the colonists might have attempted to sail back to England on their own. Despite numerous archaeological investigations and historical research, no definitive evidence has been found to solve the mystery of the lost colony. The enigmatic disappearance of the Roanoke settlers has become an enduring legend in American history, inspiring countless works of fiction and speculation. Number 4. The Antira Mechanisms, Ancient Mysteries. Discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera, the Antira mechanism is an ancient astronomical device that has been dubbed the world's first analog computer. Dating back to the 2nd century BCE, this intricate bronze mechanism consists of a complex system of gears, dials, and inscriptions that were used to predict astronomical events and calculate calendar dates. The device's sophistication and ingenuity have astounded scientists and historians, as it demonstrates a level of technological achievement previously thought impossible for the ancient world. Researchers have spent decades studying the fragmented remains of the mechanism, using advanced imaging techniques and computer simulations to reconstruct its functions and unravel its mysteries. While much has been learned about the Antira mechanism's capabilities, many questions about its exact purpose, its creator, and the extent of the ancient Greeks' astronomical knowledge remain. The device stands as a testament to the ingenuity and scientific curiosity of the ancient world and continues to inspire and challenge our understanding of the history of science and technology. Number 3. The Unsolved Mystery of Dyatlov Pass. The Dyatlov Pass incident is one of the most perplexing and mysterious tragedies in the history of Soviet mountaineering. In February 1959, a group of 9 experienced hikers led by Igor Dyatlov set out on a challenging trek through the northern Ural Mountains. However, their journey ended in tragedy, with all 9 hikers perishing under bizarre and inexplicable circumstances. When their campsite was discovered weeks later, investigators found a scene that defied explanation. The group's tent had been cut open from the inside, and the hikers' bodies were found scattered across the snowy landscape, some of them partially clothed and with severe injuries that could not be attributed to a simple fall or exposure. Some of the bodies had fractured skulls and chest trauma but no external wounds, while others showed signs of radioactivity. The official investigation concluded that an unknown compelling force had caused the hikers' deaths, but this explanation has been widely criticized as inadequate and unsatisfactory. In the decades since the incident, numerous theories have been put forth to explain the hikers' fate, ranging from an avalanche or animal attack to more esoteric explanations involving military experiments, extraterrestrial encounters, or paranormal phenomena. However, despite extensive research and analysis, no single theory has been universally accepted, and the true cause of the Dyatlov Pass incident remains a mystery. The incident has become a subject of intense fascination and speculation in Russia and beyond, inspiring numerous books, documentaries, and fictional works. The eerie and unsettling nature of the case, combined with the lack of a satisfactory explanation, has elevated the Dyatlov Pass incident to the status of a legendary mystery, one that continues to captivate and haunt the public imagination more than 6 decades after the fact. Number 2. Jack the Ripper, Unsolved Victorian Murders. In 1888, the streets of London's East End were terrorized by a serial killer known as Jack the Ripper. Over the course of several months, the Ripper brutally murdered and mutilated at least 5 women, all of whom were sex workers. Despite an extensive police investigation and worldwide media coverage, the identity of Jack the Ripper has never been conclusively established. Numerous theories have been put forth, implicating various suspects including a member of the royal family, a renowned artist, and a Polish barber, but no definitive evidence has ever been found to support these claims. The Ripper's ability to evade capture and the gruesome nature of the murders have made this case one of the most infamous and enduring criminal mysteries in history. The Jack the Ripper case has spawned countless books, films, and television adaptations, as well as a thriving industry of guided tours and themed attractions in London. More than a century after the murders, The mystery of Jack the Ripper's identity continues to captivate the public imagination and inspire new theories and investigations, cementing the killer's place as one of the most notorious and enigmatic figures in the annals of true crime. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle. Mystery or myth? The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The area, which covers approximately 500,000 square miles, has been the subject of countless theories, speculations, and controversies for decades. Some of the most famous disappearances associated with the Bermuda Triangle include the USS Cyclops, a collier ship with 309 crew members that vanished in 1918, and Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that disappeared during a training mission in 1945. Other notable incidents include the disappearance of a Douglas DC-3 aircraft with 32 passengers in 1948, and the sinking of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a tanker ship with 39 crew members in 1963. Theories about the cause of these disappearances range from natural phenomena such as rogue waves, methane gas eruptions, and magnetic anomalies to more speculative ideas involving extraterrestrial abductions, interdimensional portals, and the lost city of Atlantis. However, despite the popular perception of the Bermuda Triangle as a mysterious and dangerous place, many experts argue that the number of disappearances in the area is no greater than in any other similarly sized region of the ocean, and that most of the incidents can be attributed to human error, mechanical failure, or severe weather conditions. We hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.